Alright, here we are on the ground, and just taking a look around, you can see this is that area that I was talking about where it's improperly flashed, and there's a ton of work that's been done there. You can also see the gutters are hanging off pretty much this entire run up here and all of this too. As we go around through the house, there's just multiple areas of concern. Really the main thing that you got going on is there's a lot of moisture getting into this house from a lot of different areas. As you can see right here, this is just siding instead of being shingles. That should be shingles there and on the other side. So that and that is rotten. You can see right here that the gutters are completely hanging off the house and water's running in behind there. It's rotted out that siding, rotted out all that fascia. A lot of rot to the soffits. You can see right here hanging down soffits. As well as here, you can see just how rotten the soffit is. You see it's got a hole hanging down there. So a lot of work to be done there. Chimney is rotten all the way up and down the trim, from the top to the bottom. We're going around behind the house. You can't see very good from right here, but on the back side of the house there's actually a shed roof that was built that leans up against the side of the house. You can see it right there. That roof is only about probably a 1/12 pitch, but it still has normal 3-tab shingles on it. By Georgia code, anything under a 4/12 pitch needs to have a special type of roofing on it, like a modified bitumen or some sort of a TPO, a EPDM type of roof or something like that. To make that problem even worse, there are 2 skylights other than these 2 on that back shed roof around there too, and they are you can't put skylights on something that's that low of a slope. So really that just needs to be started over back there. All that needs to be ripped out. Plug the decking holes where the skylights were and go over the top of that with a modified bitumen or possibly TPO, then put a drip edge around through it. Overall, there's a lot of work to be done here. A lot of work. None of it is insurance related. It's all maintenance issues. And so I'll send this video over to you. And if you would like some pricing on getting this work done, just to let me know and we will get back together. I'll be as fair with you as I can on this. I know that this is a lot to be coming out of pocket for. You wouldn't have contacted your insurance company if you weren't expecting, or at least hoping, that they would be able to contribute. And I hate to tell you, but in my opinion, I don't see any storm or weather related damages here. So you've got the plumbing, you've got the gutters, soffit and fascia, wood rot around the chimney, wood rot in the soffit and fascias, rebuilding that back porch, replacing these skylights, building up the curbs to actually mount some proper skylights, and then replacing all the shingles, along with probably at least 15 pieces of the 8x4 OSB decking. Walking around up there's a ton of rotten decking. So there's a good bit to be done here. We'll talk soon.